Hello, welcome. This is Austin from Tclassified.com. How you doing, everybody? WAEC has released the results for the May-June 2019, and I'm going to be showing us the steps to check in the results. Please hit the subscribe button by this side of the screen so that you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. In this channel, we'll bring you information that helps you to do your education, to do your schooling. If you have any questions and concerns, drop them in the comment section. Very soon we'll be bringing you lectures and past questions for post-UTME, because most of you will be writing your post-UTME to various institutions. We are going to be showing you how to overcome the post-UTME exams by helping you solve some past questions from various schools, UNN, UNIBEN, UNILAG, all the schools that do post-UTME. We are going to be taking sample questions from them and helping you solve. And for you to get them, you have to hit the subscribe button by this side and also click on the bell button so that every notification coming from us, whenever we upload a video, you'll be able to see them. So WAEC, currently they are releasing the results for 2019 May-June. Then you can access the result by going to the website www.waecdirect.org. Once you get there, look at most of you have ID cards where you have your exam number or your photo card. Put it here, then select 2019 from this drop down. Then instead of private candidate, you're going to select school candidate because it's May-June. Then if you have a scratch card, put the pin here and put the serial number and click on submit. Then you see your result and you'll be able to print it out. So you need your O-level for some of the schools that have already started doing the application for UTME. Like people that want to go to UNN, some of you have started your applications. You need your O-level, so quickly go check your result whenever it's fully released. Currently the WAEC is releasing it very soon. It will be up here, and that is how you're going to use to check it and use it for your applications. If you're doing any post-UTME applications and you're finding it you're having issues with the applications, please call our number 0706716268 so that we'll give you directions. That's what we do here in Tclassified.com. We try to help students to overcome some of their worries in their application and in their studies. This our YouTube channel teaches you what will help you to pass your JAM, pass your WAEC. So hit the subscribe button by this side, call our number for assistance, check through our channel. Check our website www.tclassified.com to see our various plans for students to learn online. Also check our website www.jamwaecnecouni.com, where we teach you free of charge on many areas for your education, both in computing and in your preparation for JAM, WAEC and NECO. So please hit the subscribe button by this side of the screen so that whenever we upload videos, you'll be able to see us. Thank you for your subscriptions and support. If you have any questions and concerns, please drop them in the comment section below so that we'll look at them and address them for you. I think that will be for it for now. Thank you and God bless you.